It's a pleasure to be here with you today. We often think of food as something that simply fills our stomachs, but the truth is, every bite we take can be medicine for our bodies. What if I told you that the choices you make in your kitchen could help you fight cancer, beat disease, and live stronger, longer, and better? Today, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful snacks, simple, delicious, and backed by science that can help your body protect itself from illness at the cellular level. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. They're everyday foods with extraordinary potential, what I like to call life-saving bites. So, get ready to rethink your snack time because the foods I'm about to reveal don't just satisfy hunger. They help your body defend, repair, and thrive. The first one is blueberry Greek yogurt. Blueberry Greek yogurt parfait is more than just a sweet treat. It's a powerful example of how food can become medicine. When we talk about fighting cancer and beating disease, we often imagine complex treatments or advanced therapies. But the truth is, sometimes, the most powerful defense comes from the simplest foods nature provides. Blueberries and Greek yogurt together create a dynamic duo that nourishes, protects, and restores the body from within. Every spoonful delivers compounds that can literally change how your cells behave, helping them resist damage, inflammation, and disease. Let's start with blueberries. These tiny fruits are one of nature's most concentrated sources of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep blue color. Anthocyanins aren't just for show. They are biological warriors. Inside the body, they help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and lead to mutations that cause cancer. When DNA damage is prevented or repaired, cells can function properly and avoid turning malignant. In addition to anthocyanins, blueberries contain resveratrol, ellagic acid, and vitamin C, all known to strengthen the body's defense systems. Resveratrol, in particular, has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies by interfering with the pathways cancer cells use to replicate. Ellagic acid helps deactivate certain carcinogens before they can harm cells. But the story doesn't stop at antioxidants. Blueberries also have an extraordinary ability to starve cancer cells by cutting off their blood supply, a process known as anti-angiogenesis. Cancer cells need new blood vessels to grow and spread, and certain natural compounds in blueberries can prevent these blood vessels from forming. This means that when you eat blueberries regularly, you're essentially disarming cancer cells of one of their most powerful weapons, their ability to feed and expand. This concept is something Dr. William Li has spoken about extensively. Using food as a means to cut off the lifeline of disease. Blueberries belong to that rare category of foods that do exactly that. Now, when you pair blueberries with Greek yogurt, you're not just getting flavor, you're creating a biological partnership. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, live bacteria that strengthen your gut microbiome. Your gut isn't just for digestion, it's one of the most powerful systems influencing immunity, inflammation, and even cancer resistance. A balanced gut helps your immune system recognize and destroy abnormal cells before they become dangerous. Probiotics from yogurt encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria while suppressing harmful ones that can trigger inflammation. Chronic inflammation, as many studies show, is one of the root causes of disease and cancer development. Beyond probiotics, Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, both crucial for maintaining healthy tissues and metabolic balance. Protein supports cell repair, while calcium helps regulate cell growth and death, a process known as apoptosis. When apoptosis works properly, the body naturally eliminates damaged or precancerous cells before they can multiply. Yogurt also contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a fatty acid that has been shown to reduce tumor growth in some experimental studies. Together, these nutrients transform a simple snack into a cellular repair kit, promoting both strength and resilience from the inside out. The synergy between blueberries and Greek yogurt is also worth understanding. Blueberries feed the good bacteria in the yogurt, acting as a prebiotic source of natural fibers that enhance probiotic function. This creates a positive feedback loop within the gut, supporting a stronger immune response and better absorption of nutrients. When your gut is healthy, your whole body becomes more efficient at detoxifying, fighting infection, and regulating hormones, all critical in preventing diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. In addition to its scientific benefits, the blueberry Greek yogurt parfait is an accessible, enjoyable, and sustainable choice. It's something you can prepare in minutes, enjoy at any time of day, and adapt to your personal taste. When food becomes both pleasurable and powerful, it's easier to make it part of your daily life. You don't need a prescription to start healing your body, you just need the right ingredients and a bit of consistency. You can enhance this parfait even further by adding a sprinkle of flax seeds or chia seeds on top. These seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which add another layer of anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer protection. The healthy fats also help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in blueberries more effectively, making each bite even more beneficial. Drizzling a touch of honey, particularly raw honey, can add natural sweetness along with antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It's not about acting yourself. It's about elevating your food to serve your health as well as your taste buds. What's truly inspiring about this simple snack is that it demonstrates how accessible wellness can be. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight to make a meaningful difference. By choosing something as simple as a blueberry Greek yogurt parfait, you're actively participating in your own healing and longevity. You're giving your body the tools it needs to protect you at the level of your blood vessels, your DNA, and your immune system. Every spoonful is a message to your cells. Stay strong, stay balanced, and stay alive. This is the philosophy that transforms food from a source of comfort into a source of power. Science has shown that what we eat can influence whether disease takes root or fades away. The compounds in blueberries and the nutrients in Greek yogurt are not just nutrients, they are instructions written in nature's language, telling your body to defend, to repair, and to thrive. Eating this way is not about fear or restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about realizing that the path to better health starts not in a lab or a hospital, but right in your kitchen, in a bowl filled with color, flavor, and life. Second one is green tea with almonds. Green tea with almonds is one of those simple pairings that feels almost too easy to be powerful, yet behind its subtle flavor lies an extraordinary blend of compounds that can help your body resist disease and even fight cancer at a cellular level. The beauty of this combination lies not only in its taste, but also in the harmony between two potent natural defenders, the catechins in green tea and the healthy fats and antioxidants in almonds. When you drink a cup of green tea and enjoy a handful of almonds, you are sending a wave of protection through your system, calming inflammation, boosting immunity, and empowering your body to repair itself. Green tea has been studied for decades for its remarkable health-promoting properties. Its primary strength comes from a group of polyphenols called catechins, particularly one known as EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG is a powerhouse compound that acts in several different ways to keep the body healthy. It neutralizes free radicals, the unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage DNA, leading to cancerous mutations. EGCG doesn't stop there. It can actually interfere with cancer cell growth by disrupting the molecular signals that tell those cells to divide and spread. In laboratory studies, EGCG has been shown to trigger apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells unharmed. That means it helps your body remove harmful cells before they become dangerous. Beyond its anti-cancer effects, green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties that are essential for long-term health. Chronic inflammation is one of the root causes of most modern diseases, cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegeneration among them. By reducing inflammation, green tea helps the body maintain balance at the cellular level. It supports the function of blood vessels, improves circulation, and even helps regulate cholesterol levels. The catechins in green tea enhance endothelial function, that's the lining of your blood vessels, keeping them flexible and reducing the buildup of plaque that can lead to heart disease. This same effect improves oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body, which means your cells are better nourished and your immune system can respond more effectively. Another fascinating quality of green tea is its ability to influence metabolism. It helps the body burn fat more efficiently and stabilizes blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is balanced, the risk of inflammation and cellular stress decreases. A stable metabolic environment is one of the best defenses against chronic disease because it minimizes the internal chaos that can lead to DNA damage and immune system dysfunction. Drinking green tea regularly creates a biochemical environment in your body that favors healing, resilience, and longevity. Now, when we bring almonds into the picture, the story becomes even more powerful. Almonds are one of nature's most complete foods, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, plant-based protein, vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients work together to support nearly every system in the body. Vitamin E, for instance, is a potent antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative stress. This is particularly important because oxidative damage to the cell membrane can make cells vulnerable to mutations that lead to cancer. The healthy fats in almonds not only help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like E, but also reduce inflammation, support brain function, and maintain heart health. Almonds also provide a steady source of energy without spiking blood sugar levels, thanks to their balance of protein, fat, and fiber. This steady energy helps prevent insulin resistance, a condition closely linked to cancer risk, especially in the breast, colon, and pancreas. Magnesium in almonds plays a key role in hundreds of enzymatic reactions in the body, including DNA repair and detoxification processes. When your body has enough magnesium, it becomes more efficient at maintaining cellular integrity and preventing the mutations that fuel disease. One of the most interesting aspects of combining almonds with green tea is the synergy between fat and polyphenols. The healthy fats in almonds help the body absorb and utilize the catechins from green tea more effectively. Catechins are water-soluble compounds, but when consumed with a source of healthy fat, their bioavailability, meaning how well the body can use them, increases significantly. This means that drinking green tea while eating almonds doesn't just add their benefits together, it multiplies them. You're enhancing your body's ability to use the tea's antioxidants at their full potential. There's also an immune dimension to this pairing. Both green tea and almonds contain compounds that support immune regulation. Green tea's catechins help enhance the function of T cells, the soldiers of your immune system that identify and destroy infected or abnormal cells. Almonds contribute by providing zinc and vitamin E, both essential for the production and function of immune cells. Together, they create a balanced immune response, not too aggressive, which could cause inflammation, and not too weak, which could allow disease to spread. This immune balance is vital for long-term wellness and disease prevention. On a more everyday level, this combination is easy to integrate into your life. You can have a cup of freshly brewed green tea in the morning with a handful of raw or lightly roasted almonds, or even enjoy it as an afternoon pick-me-up instead of coffee. The gentle caffeine in green tea provides alertness without the jittery crash, while almonds give you sustained energy and satisfaction. It's a ritual that not only nourishes your body but also calms your mind. There's a quiet power in the act of slowing down, sipping something warm, and eating something wholesome. It's mindfulness combined with nourishment. Scientific studies have also linked regular green tea consumption to reduced risks of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Almonds, too, have been associated with improved heart health and reduced markers of inflammation. Together, they represent a model of how simple, consistent choices accumulate into profound benefits. Every time you reach for this combination, you're doing more than just having a snack. You're reinforcing your body's defense systems, molecule by molecule, cell by cell. The simplicity of this pairing is what makes it so sustainable. It doesn't require exotic ingredients or complicated recipes. Just the wisdom to choose foods that work with your body rather than against it. The subtle flavor of green tea, paired with the creamy crunch of almonds, is a sensory reminder that health can be both delicious and empowering. The warmth of the tea soothes, while the almonds satisfy a perfect partnership between nature's antioxidants and nutrients that fuel your body's innate ability to resist disease and heal from within. Next is dark chocolate with raspberries is one of those rare combinations where indulgence meets healing, where flavor and science unite to create something that feels like a treat but acts like therapy for your body. It's a reminder that eating for health doesn't mean giving up pleasure. In fact, sometimes the most delicious foods are also the most powerful. Dark chocolate and raspberries are each nutritional powerhouses on their own, but when paired together, they create a synergy that supports the body's ability to fight cancer, reduce inflammation, and maintain strong, healthy blood vessels. Dark chocolate, especially when it contains at least 70% cocoa, is packed with natural plant compounds called flavonols. These flavonols are a type of antioxidant, similar in power to those found in fruits and vegetables, but particularly effective in protecting the lining of blood vessels. When you eat dark chocolate, these flavonols stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and widen. This process, known as vasodilation, improves blood flow throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell efficiently. Good circulation is essential not just for heart health, but also for supporting the immune system's ability to detect and eliminate abnormal cells before they turn cancerous. Beyond improving circulation, dark chocolate's flavonols help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA and accelerate the aging process. Every time you eat dark chocolate, you're feeding your cells compounds that repair oxidative damage and strengthen the body's defenses against chronic disease. In several studies, cocoa polyphenols have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the colon, prostate, and breast. They appear to interfere with the signaling pathways that cancer cells use to multiply, while also supporting healthy cells' resistance to stress. But it's not only the antioxidants that make dark chocolate a functional food. It also contains minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, which are vital for maintaining cellular health and supporting enzyme activity. Magnesium, in particular, plays a crucial role in DNA repair and energy production. When the body has sufficient magnesium, it is better equipped to manage inflammation, regulate blood sugar, and control cell growth. Zinc helps strengthen immune cells and repair tissues, ensuring that the body's internal surveillance system stays alert and ready to respond to potential threats. These nutrients work silently, reinforcing the foundation of your health with every bite. Then comes the other half of this dynamic duo, raspberries. These bright red berries are a perfect complement to the richness of dark chocolate, both in taste and function. Raspberries are among the most antioxidant-rich fruits on the planet. They contain a powerful compound called ellagic acid, which has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells and even trigger apoptosis, the process by which unhealthy cells self-destruct. Ellagic acid works by disrupting the enzymes that cancer cells rely on to reproduce, effectively cutting off their survival mechanisms. Raspberries also contain anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their vivid color, which help reduce inflammation and strengthen blood vessels. These compounds have been found to prevent the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, a process known as anti-angiogenesis. By limiting a tumor's ability to form new blood supply lines, anthocyanins can literally starve cancer cells of the oxygen and nutrients they need to grow. This same anti-angiogenic effect also supports cardiovascular health, making raspberries a natural protector of both the heart and the body's defenses against cancer. Another key advantage of raspberries is their high fiber content. A single cup of raspberries contains more fiber than most grains, which plays an important role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps remove toxins and excess hormones from the body, especially estrogen, which can reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer. It also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, creating a balanced microbiome that supports immune function and inflammation control. When the gut is healthy, the entire body benefits, digestion improves, immunity strengthens, and cellular repair becomes more efficient. When you combine dark chocolate and raspberries, something special happens. The natural sweetness and tartness of the berries balance the deep, earthy flavor of the chocolate, while their antioxidants and plant compounds work together in harmony. The healthy fats in dark chocolate help your body absorb the fat-soluble nutrients in raspberries, increasing the bioavailability of their antioxidants. At the same time, the vitamin C in raspberries enhances the antioxidant activity of cocoa flavonols, amplifying their effects on blood vessel health and cellular protection. It's a partnership that multiplies benefits rather than merely adding them. This combination also supports mental health, which is an often overlooked part of disease prevention. Dark chocolate contains small amounts of compounds that stimulate the production of serotonin and endorphins, chemicals in the brain that promote happiness and reduce stress. Chronic stress has been linked to inflammation and weakened immune function, so reducing stress through enjoyable, mood-lifting foods can have tangible effects on your overall well-being. Raspberries, rich in natural vitamins and minerals, contribute to mental clarity and energy, helping stabilize mood and focus. Choosing the right kind of dark chocolate matters. The higher the cocoa content, the greater the concentration of flavonols, and the lower the sugar content. Sugar, in excess, can promote inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which increase the risk of disease. Aim for dark chocolate that lists cocoa or cacao as the first ingredient and contains minimal added ingredients. Pairing it with fresh raspberries creates a dessert that feels luxurious but actually supports your body's natural healing processes. You can enjoy this combination in simple ways: a few squares of dark chocolate with a handful of raspberries as an afternoon snack, melted chocolate drizzled over fresh berries, or even blended together in a smoothie for a refreshing antioxidant boost. Each time you eat them, you're not only satisfying a craving but also nourishing your blood vessels, strengthening your immune system, and helping your body defend itself from disease. This pairing represents how the pleasure of eating can align perfectly with the science of healing, proving that health doesn't have to come at the cost of enjoyment, but can instead be an act of joyful nourishment. Fourth one is hummus with carrot sticks, is one of those simple, timeless snacks that embodies the idea of eating for health without complication. It's colorful, satisfying, and deeply nourishing. But beneath its familiar flavor lies a sophisticated nutritional chemistry that works in harmony with your body to fight inflammation, support digestion, and reduce the risk of cancer. The pairing of hummus and carrots brings together plant-based proteins, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that protect your cells and sustain your energy. It's a combination that reflects how whole, natural foods can work with your body's biology rather than against it. Hummus, made primarily from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic, has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for thousands of years. Each ingredient contributes to its disease-fighting power. Chickpeas are rich in plant-based protein and fiber, two nutrients essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and digestive system. Fiber, in particular, plays a central role in preventing disease. It binds to toxins and waste products in the digestive tract, helping to remove them from the body before they can cause harm. A fiber-rich diet supports a balanced gut microbiome, the community of bacteria that influences everything from immune strength to hormone regulation. When the gut microbiome is healthy, inflammation throughout the body decreases, reducing the conditions that allow cancer cells to thrive. The protein in chickpeas provides amino acids that help build and repair tissues, supporting the immune system's ability to respond to damaged or abnormal cells. Unlike many animal-based proteins, plant proteins do not come with the saturated fats that can promote inflammation. Instead, they deliver nutrients in a clean, anti-inflammatory form that sustains energy and supports long-term wellness. Chickpeas also contain several micronutrients that play key roles in cellular protection, such as folate, magnesium, and iron. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, which is critical in preventing mutations that can lead to cancer. Magnesium helps regulate inflammation and maintain healthy blood pressure, while iron supports oxygen delivery to tissues, ensuring that cells have the fuel they need to function properly. Tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, adds another layer of power to hummus. It's a rich source of healthy fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids and plant sterols, which help regulate cholesterol levels and support the health of cell membranes. Tahini is also high in lignans, a type of phytonutrient known to have antioxidant and estrogen balancing properties. These compounds may help reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers by modulating estrogen metabolism in the body. Sesame seeds also provide calcium, zinc, and vitamin E nutrients that strengthen immune function and support antioxidant defenses. The combination of chickpeas and tahini creates a perfect balance of protein, fat, and fiber that stabilizes blood sugar and reduces inflammation. Olive oil, another key ingredient in hummus, is well known for its role in the Mediterranean diet, one of the world's most studied and respected eating patterns for longevity and disease prevention. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These polyphenols help protect blood vessels from damage, improve cholesterol balance, and inhibit cancer cell growth by blocking inflammatory signaling pathways. The addition of olive oil to hummus not only improves texture and flavor, but also enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from the other ingredients. Garlic, though small in quantity, has an outsized impact on health. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which have been found to boost immune function and inhibit the formation of carcinogenic substances in the body. Garlic also helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol, creating an internal environment less favorable to chronic disease. Lemon juice adds vitamin C and citric acid, which help detoxify the liver and enhance antioxidant activity. Together, these ingredients make hummus not just a dip, but a concentrated source of nourishment and protection. Now, when you pair hummus with carrot sticks, you add a fresh burst of color and nutrients that complement and amplify its benefits. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, the orange pigment that the body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene is one of the most studied antioxidants for its role in protecting cells from oxidative damage. It neutralizes free radicals before they can damage DNA, helping to prevent mutations that could lead to cancer. Several studies have linked diets high in beta-carotene with reduced risk of lung, colon, and breast cancers. Beyond beta-carotene, carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye and skin health while further reducing oxidative stress throughout the body. Carrots are also rich in soluble fiber, which slows the absorption of sugars and promotes healthy digestion. This type of fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which then produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. A healthy gut environment helps regulate immune function, ensuring that the body can identify and eliminate damaged cells before they cause harm. When you eat carrots with hummus, the fibers from the vegetables and the chickpeas work together to keep your digestive system clean and efficient. The pairing of hummus and carrots is not just a matter of taste, it's a perfect nutritional balance. The healthy fats in hummus help your body absorb the fat-soluble nutrients in carrots, particularly beta-carotene. Without dietary fat, the absorption of these vital compounds would be limited, so this snack naturally provides what the body needs to make the most of its nutrients. The protein and fiber from the hummus slow digestion, keeping you full and stabilizing your blood sugar, while the crisp sweetness of the carrots adds hydration, crunch, and freshness. From a biological perspective, This snack helps combat inflammation at multiple levels in the gut, in the bloodstream, and in the cells themselves. It supports liver detoxification, reduces oxidative stress, and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, all while keeping you energized. It's a snack that speaks to the body's natural design. When given the right ingredients, the body knows how to protect and heal itself. Every bite of hummus with carrot sticks delivers a mixture of plant compounds that engage your body's defenses, reinforcing your resilience and optimizing your internal chemistry. It's a daily act of nourishment that helps maintain balance, vitality, and protection against the diseases that often stem from inflammation and cellular damage. Apple slices with peanut butter may look like a simple childhood snack, but beneath its familiar comfort lies a powerful combination of nutrients that can strengthen your body, protect your heart, balance your blood sugar, and even help defend against cancer. This pairing is a perfect example of how nature's sweetness and richness can come together to create a snack that satisfies both the body and the mind. It's not just a quick bite, it's a fusion of fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats, and plant compounds that work in harmony to support your body's natural defense systems. The last one is apples. Apples are among the most widely available and affordable fruits, yet their nutritional complexity is extraordinary. They are rich in phytochemicals, particularly flavonoids like quercetin, catechin, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds are potent antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, the kind of cellular damage that can lead to inflammation, aging, and cancer. Quercetin, in particular, has been extensively studied for its anti-cancer properties. It helps regulate the cycle of cell growth and death, preventing the uncontrolled proliferation of cells that can lead to tumor formation. Quercetin also has anti-inflammatory effects, reducing the activity of enzymes that trigger chronic inflammation in the body. Apples are also an excellent source of soluble fiber, especially pectin, which plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive and metabolic health. Pectin forms a gel-like substance in the gut that binds to toxins and excess cholesterol, helping to eliminate them from the body. This not only supports heart health but also reduces the risk of colon cancer by keeping the digestive tract clean and functioning efficiently. The fermentation of pectin by beneficial gut bacteria produces short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. A healthy gut microbiome, supported by fiber from apples, enhances immune function and helps regulate hormone balance, both critical factors in disease prevention. The natural sugars in apples are balanced by their high fiber content, which slows down the release of glucose into the bloodstream. This prevents sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, helping to maintain steady energy and reduce insulin resistance, a key factor linked to cancer and chronic disease. The slow, steady energy release also keeps hunger in check, making apples an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Excess body fat, particularly around the abdomen, is associated with higher levels of inflammation and greater cancer risk, so foods that stabilize appetite and metabolism play an indirect yet significant role in prevention. When paired with peanut butter, apples become an even more powerful health-promoting snack. Peanut butter, when chosen in its natural form without added sugars or hydrogenated oils, is a rich source of healthy monounsaturated fats, plant-based protein, and essential vitamins like vitamin E, magnesium, and niacin. The healthy fats in peanut butter provide sustained energy and help absorb fat-soluble nutrients, such as the carotenoids and polyphenols found in apples. These fats also contribute to heart health by improving cholesterol levels, increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol that can oxidize and damage blood vessel walls. The protein in peanut butter works alongside the fiber in apples to keep you full for longer periods of conscious time. This combination helps regulate appetite hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which influence hunger and satiety. Maintaining a balanced energy intake not only supports weight management, but also reduces metabolic stress on the body, allowing it to focus on cellular repair and immune defense. Peanut butter also contains arginine, an amino acid that helps improve circulation by supporting nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and enhances nutrient delivery throughout the body. Peanuts are also an excellent source of resveratrol, a compound more commonly associated with red grapes and wine. Resveratrol has been linked to longevity and disease resistance through its ability to activate certain genes that regulate inflammation and repair cellular damage. It also exhibits anti-angiogenic properties, meaning it can help inhibit the growth of new blood vessels that feed tumors. By including peanut butter in your diet, you are introducing a plant-based source of this powerful compound into your daily routine. The pairing of apples and peanut butter also represents a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates from the fruit, protein, and fat from the peanuts that keeps blood sugar steady and prevents energy crashes. This stability reduces oxidative stress caused by fluctuations in glucose and insulin levels, both of which can contribute to inflammation and cellular dysfunction over time. By maintaining a more balanced metabolic state, your body stays in a better position to repair DNA damage and regulate the immune system effectively. This snack also supports brain health. The healthy fats in peanut butter, combined with the antioxidants in apples, protect neurons from oxidative damage and improve communication between brain cells. The magnesium in peanuts helps support cognitive function and reduces stress responses, while the natural sugars and phytonutrients in apples provide gentle, clean energy for mental clarity. The combination can improve focus and mood, showing that food's power extends beyond physical health into emotional and cognitive well-being. Another benefit of this pairing lies in its ability to reduce inflammation at multiple levels in the body. The flavonoids in apples and the monounsaturated fats in peanut butter work synergistically to lower C-reactive protein levels, a key marker of inflammation associated with chronic diseases. Lowering inflammation not only helps prevent cancer, but also reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and supports the immune system's capacity to identify and destroy damaged or abnormal cells before they become dangerous. Choosing the right ingredients is essential to maximize benefits. Opt for fresh apples with their skin intact, as most of the antioxidants and fiber are concentrated in the peel. For peanut butter, look for varieties that contain only peanuts and perhaps a pinch of salt with no added sugar or oils. The purity of these ingredients ensures that every bite delivers the nutrients your body needs without the additives that can contribute to inflammation or oxidative stress. Together, apple slices and peanut butter create more than a satisfying snack. They form a biochemical partnership that protects, energizes, and sustains. The crunch of the apple complements the creaminess of the peanut butter, making it an enjoyable habit to return to day after day. It's an example of how whole, natural foods can provide not only pleasure, but also the cellular fuel and protection needed to keep your body in a state of balance and vitality. Each bite contributes to your defense system, helping you stay strong and resilient by using the healing power of everyday food.